iconic force the world knows as Cher. She came to our stage for a wide-ranging exclusive interview where she wanted to clear some things up. The first being her health. There were some reports that circulated around that perhaps you were suffering from something like cancer circulating around the internet.
Can I tell you something? If I had cancer, everyone would know it. I wouldn't tell them, but somebody would. You know, when you have those kind of things happen, you can't keep them. If you're famous, you can't keep them secret.
Fans grew concerned after Cher canceled a few performances of her Vegas show. In the beginning of October, you canceled a couple of shows. Your rep called it Vegas throat. How is your health?
Well, my health is great. There's a wind thing that blows there sometimes in different months, and I have allergy to it, you know? So, yeah, it's really hard. If you get a sickness and you're famous, it's impossible. You have to suffer with the sickness, and everyone gets to know it.
And her dear friend Farrah knows exactly how that feels.
Farrah Fawcett is the strongest woman I have ever known. I would have never been able to do what she's done. I'm not kidding. This chick has got iron ones.
Formidable Farrah. Cher's good friend took her advice and has been traveling to and from Germany for cancer treatment for over a year. Are we to understand that she is winning?
Yes.
Winning?
Yes.
It's not
and it's a,
gone,
and it was a,
but
no,
winning.
and it was a terrible, terrible cancer, a terrible cancer. When Dr. Jakob first saw her, she said, you know, Cher, I'm not so sure what I can do. I don't know if I have the expertise. I don't know how we can do it.
But Cher's faith in German medicine is unwavering. Cher was diagnosed with the Epstein-Barr virus in the 80s and headed overseas for help.
I think that she wouldn't be alive if she had gone to the medicine that we have for our cancer treatment.
Have you lost your faith in U.S. medicine?
Not completely. There are great doctors, you know. There's a lot of really bad doctors. There are a lot of really bad doctors.
But in full health now, the show must go on, and it will when Cher returns to Vegas on February 21st. USA Today printed what they thought you were worth financially. It's a lot of money.
It's a lie.
It's a lie.
Yeah. Well, I only wish.
Let's say it's half that.
No, I don't think it's half that.
Let's say it's a quarter that.
All right.
Still pretty good. Why are you returning to Vegas in February? Why not...
Do what? Nothing? I'm not comparing myself to this, but someone said, oh, you know, Picasso, you've painted so many pictures, you know, just get some frames and go home. So it's like, I'll do my work as long as I can do it.
On the next Access Hollywood, trust me when I say Cher is just getting started. Defending daughter chastity. Proposition 8, which seeks to remove the right for gay people to marry. Your daughter is gay. And what about Cher's own complicated love life?
Guys don't want to be Mr. Cher.
Then, Beyonce, her most in-depth interview ever. Next, Access Hollywood.